Welcome to Rustbusters Installation Guide for the vehicles listed below. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Using a 22mm socket, remove your wheel. Using a 21mm socket, remove the bolt holding the shock in place. Step 3. Cut off the factory rear shock mount. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weldable primer to help prevent against rust development. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld the part onto the frame before welding it on fully. Step 5. To get the shock back into place, we recommend jacking up the axle. Once you've got your shock in place, use a 21mm socket and wrench to reinstall the bolt. Finally, spray the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Reinstall your wheel with a 22mm socket. Then you're done.